are the two superfoods that heal and protect the kidneys. First up, blueberries, often heralded as a superfood, play a remarkable role in protecting and healing the kidneys due to their rich array of antioxidants, vitamins, and beneficial compounds. Let's delve into the exceptional benefits of blueberries and uncover how they serve as a potent guardian for kidney health. Benefit 1: Antioxidant protection. Blueberries are brimming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and vitamin C, that work tirelessly to combat oxidative stress and free radicals within the body. By neutralizing harmful molecules and reducing inflammation, these antioxidants shield the delicate structures of the kidneys from damage, promoting their overall well-being and function. Benefit 2: Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate kidney health issues and contribute to the progression of kidney disease. Blueberries contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that help to quell inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. By reducing inflammation, blueberries support kidney health and aid in preventing further damage to these vital organs. Benefit 3: Blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common risk factor for kidney disease and can strain the kidneys over time. Blueberries have been shown to support cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure levels. By promoting healthy blood pressure regulation, blueberries lessen the burden on the kidneys, allowing them to function optimally and reducing the risk of kidney damage. Benefit 4: Detoxification support. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products and toxins from the bloodstream, contributing to the body's detoxification process. Blueberries contain compounds that support kidney detoxification pathways, enhancing the organ's ability to eliminate waste and maintain a balanced internal environment. By aiding in detoxification, blueberries help safeguard kidney health and promote overall well-being. Benefit 5: Maintenance of kidney function. Beyond their impressive array of benefits, blueberries are believed to support kidney function by improving urinary tract health, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, and promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Their nourishing properties can help sustain kidney health, contributing to long-term wellness and vitality. The healing capabilities of blueberries extend beyond their delicious taste to encompass a wealth of benefits for kidney health. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or incorporated into various culinary creations, blueberries stand as a versatile and powerful ally in protecting and healing the kidneys, making them an invaluable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Incorporating these vibrant berries into your daily routine can contribute to a healthier, happier life, with kidneys that are nurtured, protected, and thriving. Next up, meet kale, the verdant superstar of the vegetable world, celebrated for its remarkable capacity to shield and heal the kidneys. Let's unravel the kaleidoscope of benefits that kale offers and how it stands as a potent ally in nurturing kidney health, providing hope and vitality for overall well-being. Benefit 1: Renal protection through antioxidants. Kale is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids that combat oxidative stress and protect the delicate structures of the kidneys from damage. By scavenging harmful free radicals, kale supports kidney health by reducing inflammation and promoting cellular repair. Benefit 2: Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can pose a threat to kidney function and overall health. Kale's rich array of anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin and camphorol, help lower inflammation levels, easing the burden on the kidneys and potentially reducing the risk of kidney diseases. Benefit 3: Nutrient density for kidney wellness. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting vitamins A, K, and C, minerals like iron and calcium, and fiber. These nutrients support kidney function by promoting detoxification, maintaining electrolyte balance, and aiding in the elimination of waste products from the body, contributing to overall kidney wellness. Benefit 4: Hydration and kidney function. Kale's high water content and natural electrolytes help promote hydration, which is vital for kidney function and the elimination of wastes through urine. Adequate hydration supports the kidneys in their role as the body's filtration system, ensuring optimal function and preventing complications. Kale emerges as a kidney-nourishing marvel, offering a multitude of benefits for renal resilience and well-being. By incorporating this leafy green powerhouse into your diet through salads, smoothies, or sautés, you can harness its protective and healing properties to fortify your kidneys and promote longevity. Let kale be your ally in the journey towards kidney health, offering hope and nourishment to support you in your quest for overall wellness. By incorporating these two superfoods that heal and protect the kidneys, your body will thank you. With that said, remember to let your food be your medicine, and your medicine, your food. Have a blessed day.